On the seller side, a real estate agreement should, of course, make sure that the seller gets paid, but also that the seller, when the closing has taken place, walks away from the closing table with as few and perhaps no obligations continuing on to the buyer. So for the seller, we are interested in, number one, making sure that the buyer is going to get to the closing. So we usually expect a deposit of some kind just to prove that they have a significant enough financial wherewithal to make the deal. And secondly, that we've limited perhaps the time that they can tie up the property. When we're talking about buyers, we talk about the ability to inspect the property, get financing, and so forth. But as a seller, you want to make sure, even though the buyer has those options, that they're not extended for an unreasonable time period. So from a seller's point of view, you want to make sure you get paid. You want to make sure that the deal happens in a reasonable fashion and on a timely basis, and you want to walk away from the deal without any continuing obligations to the buyer.